Welcome to the world of Metrix Plus, your top destination for test and measurement equipment. We have an entire range covering electrical, NDT, environmental, and surveying equipment catering to a wide range of industries. Today, let's look at sound level meter, which is used for measuring the sound and the noise of the ambient environment. This is also called a decibel meter because it measures in decibels. Let's unbox Metrix Plus SL4001. So this is the manual. It has all the instructions in English and Hindi. This is the warranty and test certificate, which warranties that the instrument is tested as per the national standards. This is the rainproof attachment for the microphone. This is the Type-C charging cable, and this is the main unit. Let's now open the meter and see how you can measure the sound of the environment using this. This meter is quite handy. It is compact and it is as well as it is rugged for use in outdoors also. This is used so that the microphone is not damaged by the environment, rain, dust, etc. This is basically the microphone. This is the microphone. Inside this is the sensor which senses the ambient sound and converts it to decibel and shows it on this screen. First, let's attach the attachment so that it doesn't get affected by dust and water. This is how we'll fit it. Make sure that it is properly fit so that it doesn't fall down when you tilt the device in any angle. Now we'll switch it on and we'll see what the buttons and how it can be functioned. The first thing that you'll notice is that it has a negative display. What does negative display mean? Basically, at any angle, even in sunlight, you can see the reading very clearly. Normal displays in sunlight, the angle, because of the angle or because of the light, the readings are not properly visible. But if you see here at any angle, it will be visible. That is what the negative display means. The instrument is now on and we can see that the value is in decibel. Now if I keep quiet, completely quiet, you'll see the decibel value go down. You can see it's around 20 decibel when I'm not speaking. When I speak in my normal voice, you can see it goes up till 55-60 decibels. So the best thing is this gives a real-time value of the sound around you. Now let's look at some functions to help us better understand. There is the fast and slow button. Now what it does is it basically changes the frequency of the sound acquiring. Fast means it will take sound at a very fast pace in a real-time value, and slow means it will take at some intervals if you want to just see the average of the ambient sound. So I pressed, so right now it isn't fast. It is shown here, it is fast. Now I'll press the slow button and see it is slow. Now it is acquiring sound at a slow pace, at a lower frequency. Now there might be times when you want to hold the data to see what is the sound and not just take it in a real-time value. So there is the data hold button for that. This is the data hold button. If you press it, you'll see the H button here. This H button means it is in data hold mode. As you can see, the data held right now is 29.9 dB. This freezes for you to take down values or to log if you want. If you press it again, it will come into the normal acquiring mode. There is also a small bar graph by which you can assume what the sound value is. The bar graph comes from 30 decibel to 130 decibel, which is basically the range of the sound meter. This also shows the temperature and the humidity of the ambient environment. So right now the temperature is around 28 degrees and the humidity relative is 50%. So that also helps you to understand the impact of environment on sound level. There is also capabilities of getting the minimum and the maximum values, and the way it can be done is there is a button. If you press this, it will show the minimum value recorded till now. Again, if you press it, it will show the average value recorded till now. And if you again press it, it will show the maximum value recorded till now. To come out of this, you just have to long press this button and it will come into the real-time data measuring mode. So you can also change the units. As we can see, this is the unit button. If you press the unit button, you can see the unit change to Fahrenheit. Again, if you press it, it changes to degree centigrade. So that is where the unit button comes helpful. And the best part about this is also that you can set the alarms. So alarm is basically if you want this indicator, if you see there will be a red light. I'll stop talking so that the red light will get on. So this means that the values are under the alarm limit. There is an over and under. So under the minimum range, so the indicator will come. If it is over the maximum range, then also the indicator will come. You can set it. So if we press the set button, you can see the under value, the minimum value that is set is 30 dB. That is why when it goes under 30 dB, the indicator will come. If it goes above 130 dB, then the over value will come. So the alarm limits help you to get a visual indication when the sound is above or under your own threshold limits. That is the entire operation of this sound level meter. This is the economic one, this is the most basic one, and we have it in a very beautiful, compact and rugged package. The only maintenance about this instrument is that because there is an inbuilt battery, you'll have to charge it at regular intervals. Please keep it charged if you're not using it for more than 3 months. There is a Type-C cable given and you can plug it in into any 5 volt and 2 amperes. So keep it charged and that's it. You're good to go with the instrument for a lifetime. The sound level meter can be used to measure the sound in decibels around the environment. So it can be used in any industry, all factories, to make sure that the sound level is below a threshold value so that it doesn't affect the employees and the workers working there. Now we got to learn about Metrix SL 4001, how it can be used to measure this ambient sound. We also have another model, Metrix SL 4005, which has data logging capabilities, and you can log the data into PC for getting the reports out of it. That is how Metrix Plus helps you measure the sound in your environment. We at Metrix Plus are not only about products. We are your trusted advisors to make sure that you get the right instrument as per your specific application. We have our authorized channel partners spread out across India. So make sure that you ask for the authorized channel partner certification before purchasing. Additionally, we also have online selling channels. Our commitment goes beyond sales as we provide a comprehensive after-sales service. For any assistance or help, please contact us through the link given in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.